Just have to walk outside here and you get greeted by a whole paparazzi. Of course, they don't love you for you, they just love you for the food that you bring them. It is a beautiful summer day here, and I am going to grill for dinner tonight. So I thought I'd bring you along on a grill dinner with me video. A few days ago, it was my mom's birthday. She lives with us, and I cooked dinner, and I grilled picanha steak. I got a really great deal on some picanha. I think in our area, picanha isn't as popular of a cut of meat, so I almost never find it labeled as picanha. I just find it labeled as top sirloin. And the picanha is like on the top of the top sirloin, and so every once in a while I'll find the top sirloin and it'll be the picanha part of the top sirloin. But top sirloin was on sale for $4.99 a pound at Safeway recently, and I went and looked at it, and it was the picanha cut, which is absolutely delicious. And so of course I grabbed it for that price, and it was a limit 2 packages. So I got 2 packages. I cooked one of them the other day for my mom's birthday. I also cooked a big ribeye steak and a big New York steak and did some grilled vegetables as well. But we all decided that the picanha was the best of all 3 of the meats that I cooked. And so I have one more package of that delicious top sirloin picanha steak. And I didn't want to cook it any other way than grilling it because it was so good when we did that before. So I currently don't have a very good grill. I have a small gas grill that's functional, but of course meat tastes so much better when it's cooked over actual wood. And we have so much actual wood here now because we, pick it up from our property, the trees that fall in windstorms and stuff, or that we trim. I have a whole bunch actually right here. This is all apple. Yeah, this is all apple wood from our apple tree that we pruned a couple of months ago. And so I have all this great wood. So it's going to taste so much better to cook the meat over an actual wood fire. But we don't have a decent grill, a wood grill, but we do have a fire pit. So I have been cooking and grilling. Whenever I grill, I do it over the fire pit, which is a lot of work because you have to start it. Just have to remember to start it really early. So anyways, that's what I'm about to do is I'm about to start the fire. And eventually we're going to get a decent smoker or grill. But our criteria is we have to have some kind of a structure set up to keep it from the elements. Right now, we don't have a covered porch that really works. Like on the back of the house, we don't have a covered porch that would really work. My husband's going to build a gazebo or something eventually, and then we will, invest in a good smoker, and I cannot wait for that. But until then, I have just been doing fire pit cooking, and it works out pretty well. So I'm going to get the fire started, and then it has to, go for a while until I get a good bed of coals. And then I will be grilling picanha and some bell peppers, and I think I'm going to do some onions. I wish I had picked up some mushrooms at the store because we love grilled mushrooms, but I forgot to do that. So bell peppers and onions will probably be the grilled veggies of the day. Do we still have any hot dogs? Are you going to grill hot dogs tonight?
Yes.
I think we'll have to go look and see if we have more. I can't remember.
Mom, I don't care this big one right here.
Okay.
And I'm strong enough for this big one.
You are strong enough.
Not big for this bigger one.
Yeah, that would be a little too much. It probably weighs as much as you do.
But I can carry this big one.
Yeah, you are getting pretty big. I have a few batches of the vegetables, so I'm going to go ahead and get those started because that'll take a minute. Get my grill heated up here, and then I will throw these on. Like you saw, I just spray them with some avocado oil and then sprinkle them with some smoked Redmond salt. I use the hickory this time. Gives them amazing flavor, and really the smoked salt is all you need. Salt plus fire, best flavor ever. I had a couple packages of chicken wings, so I decided to throw those on the grill as well. And I like to do these low and slow for a while, and the grill isn't super hot right now, so I'm going to put these on and just let them slow smoke for a while. Chicken wings are about done. Chicken wings! That's the last of the veggies, and the last thing I have to do is just throw on the steaks. And with everything that I'm cooking, the only seasoning is the smoked salt, and then the veggies just have the avocado oil spray. That's the only things that I'm using. What do you think of that chicken wing? Yeah, tasty? Good. Here is everything from the grill, except for the hot dogs that the kids will grill in a little bit with their funny forks. The picanha looks really good. I hope I didn't overcook the thinner pieces too much. Some of the chicken wings got a little brown. It's really hard to control the temperature on the fire pit, so that's just par for the course. Veggies, the onions, there was a zucchini in the fridge I was unaware of, so cooked that up. A whole bunch of bell peppers, which everybody likes the best. And this is the main part of dinner, plus hot dogs for the kids. Are you waiting so patiently for some yummies? You're waiting so patiently. Let me find you something. Oh, look at that. Ready? Good girl. Good girl. Here you go. Oh, careful. Wait, don't get them too flamey. Renee, scoot back.
I found a good place.
That is a good place. Good job. What do you think, Renee?
This is delicious and perfectly cooked.
Delicious and perfectly cooked. You try yours yet?
No, it's still right up.
Ah.
Has a little bit ash on it.
Yeah, that happens with campfires.
It's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
I bet it is, because you're a really good cook. How's your funny fork doing?
Good. I'm gonna eat on the side first, then eat on the side.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. Who needs a plate, huh?
Which side has a bite?
I don't know.
Now which other side has a bite?
You like twist it, you never know where it's going to stop. Never know where it's going to stop. It's kind of like playing a game, right?
Yeah.
All right, when's it going to stop? What's she going to land on?
Mm. Why are we such a word with a spoon?